loves. So today we are going to renovate this kitchen. Honestly, I'm not in love with these tiles. This is my counter and this is the color and the way they did them, like, and look at that. Like, how can you do such with all the money they are paying with such? So I'm going to try, and I did not want to break the walls and all that, so I decided to use paint. I'm going to use paint spray. I don't know whether it's going to do the good job. It's like a paint, of course, but it in a spray. So I'm going to spray all this place and this space. Like, look at that, guys, really. So I'm going to try. I'm going to first work on this, a small part of it, and see whether we can get the best results. If we get the best results, of course I'll do the whole part. Yeah. I think it doesn't look bad at all. Like, even that section was so ugly, but I think it's now, yeah, it's now visible. One thing I love is my curtains. I choose good material, and yeah, I think it's okay. It's fair. It's better than before. So at least I can settle for a while now. So just to loop you in, well, I went to the market this evening and I bought a few things. Now I have bad eating habits and I'm trying to work on that because it is costing me a lot, especially health wise. So I'm trying so much to eat real food, to have at least a meal every day, which is so hard for me, but I'm really trying. So I'm going to prepare a simple dinner with you guys. Kindly follow the vlog and yeah, enjoy. So for dinner, I'm going to prepare cassava. I'm going to prepare eggs plus greens, that is nakati. So that's what we're going to prepare. I didn't want to steam this cassava. I usually steam it with my steamer, but today I just wanted to cook it like this.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
now I'm just from making these shears. I'm just from making these shears, and I'm going to put them, I'm going to hang them here and see whether it's going to make a difference, a good difference. I hate saying that, though some people think it's nice, but it's never nice. It's not. So let me put the shears and see how it looks like. I've messed up my nails. Actually, making shears was a good idea. Look at that. They look cute. So I made that, and they're fine, kind of crooked, but it will be okay soon. Guys, yeah, it looks actually nice. So I'm going to put these curtains and see. So I did not buy curtain hooks, so I'm going to be using these white ones. So I'm going to blend them and see, just to hold this, because I want that to be seen more than this. But let me put that up here and see. I think I love it. Actually, I'm in love with it, kinda. So this is how it looks like. I made this short than the curtains, because curtains I'm going to tie them, but these ones, the fact that the sink is here, I don't want them to be white, and it's white on white, so I'm going to tie these and see how it look like. But so far so good. I think I love them. I think I do love it. Guys, I don't know what I was thinking about. Like, it has taken me long to decide on how to do it and what to do with this, because I did not want to spoil anything. But let me see anyway. So I think the illusion that I had in my head has come to life. This is what I was thinking about, because I thought of buying hooks, but I was like, will that look good? Because of this yellow, it stands out so much. I decided to use actually the my shear to make the, I don't know how they are called, to hold my curtains, but I think it looks nice, white on white. Banangi, my kitchen was looking so damn bad, like with the colors, those colors, no way. Though people were saying it is nice, to me it wasn't. So that is how they look like, and I think, yeah, we've really tried. Yeah.